In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the TikTok favorite sounds not showing problem. So let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and tap on Apps, then find and select TikTok from the list of installed apps. Next, tap on Storage. Here, tap Clear Cache to remove temporary files that may be causing the issue. After clearing the cache, reopen TikTok and check whether your favorite sounds are showing again. If the problem still isn't fixed, you can try clearing the app data. Keep in mind that this may remove locally stored app information, so make sure any important drafts are backed up before proceeding. Another effective solution is to uninstall TikTok and then reinstall the latest version from the Play Store. Once the app is reinstalled, sign back into your account and check if your favorite sounds have reappeared. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to fix the TikTok favorite sounds not showing problem. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials.